Hey now, what you doing?
Oh, Kamiko. Just eliminating stress?
Looks like you're drawing though.
That's because I am.
You've been drawing a lot lately. Why don't you go outside and play and enjoy life a little?
I am enjoying life.
Don't tell me you're making another art video.
I am making another art video.
You know that no one bothers watching that low quality content, right?
Ugh. I can't believe the self-proclaimed god is making sense for once.
Oh, nani? You've got over 300 subscribers now. Not bad now.
Unfortunately for them, they subscribe to someone who doesn't even upload regularly.
Psst, that's okay. After all, YouTube is all about that numbers game.
They probably just subscribed from that one video I did that one time, riding on the popularity of some certain trap YouTuber.
Well, maybe they'll stay for some of your upcoming content.
Yeah, well, that's too bad. I don't know what they wanted when they subscribed, but they're getting this low quality content.
Wow. No respect for your lovely viewers, huh?
I'm just making whatever suits me. They can do whatever they want.
Don't worry, this guy is a complete tsundere. He probably loves you all.
Don't worry, this girl is a complete liar. I don't love anyone.
Bleh. So, what are you drawing today?
Okita Souji Alter from Fate's Grand Order.
Sasuga now. Another waifu. Damn, you're moving on to a more realistic art style, huh?
Well, that's just cause I suck at doing line art.
Doesn't this go against your 2D only mantra?
As long as it ain't true 3D, it still fits my D.
I can't believe you just said that. Anyway, aren't you gonna draw something else for once? Why do you keep drawing waifus?
No. The question is, why would I draw anything other than waifus?
You're a lost cause. Then why don't you draw me?
I already did. Look, I'll even give you bunny ears here.
No. I mean like properly draw me. Like one of your Japanese girls.
They aren't Japanese girls, they are 2D waifus with characteristics more so resembling the Western race.
Then draw me like one of your French.
No.
Aw, come on now. I'll even give you a bit of my goddess fan service.
No one wants fan service from a lolly like you, Kamiko.
Well, Pixiv says otherwise. Also, you're totally into drawing people with my level of thickness, aren't you?
No, I like thick.
Liar.
I really like thick.
You can't fool me. I'm a god, you know.
I can fool them though.
No, I think you just proved otherwise.
Thick is my favorite.
Please now, you're embarrassing yourself. I don't think that these 300 people need to know about your waifu preferences.
Not to worry, Kamiko, for there will probably only be around 10 people who will find out. Because hardly any of them would want to watch a boring video like this.
Wow, that's pretty sad.
No. What is truly sad is you, Kamiko.
Nani?
See what I'm drawing right now? Those two round teardrop shapes at the bottom? Indeed, it is absolute proof that I am a normal human male who loves the thick. You cannot refute that.
I don't even want to argue with you anymore.
Not only that, but you're standing right in front of it with your pitiful, petite, sinful, slender body. The juxtaposition makes it clear that you were endowed with superior assets, you lowly god.
Ugh, pedo.
Shh! How could you say that? You'll get me demonetized.
You're not even eligible to be monetized, you failure of a YouTuber.
Not like I'm trying anyway.
Apologize to the 300 people who had faith in you.
I'm sorry. Please continue to be subscribed. Thank you for watching and following me.
Well, I'm gonna go try out that host club downtown. You better draw me when I get back.
Shut up. You'll get plenty when your book comes out.
I love foreshadowing.
Also, why is your voice so crappy?
It's not my fault they hired a male voice actor for me.
Then fire him.
去思